Hi guys, Chox here and welcome back to my channel for the cupcake playlist. So this is going to be a special playlist just for cupcakes because the Monogram thing is really hot right now, and I thought I would share my knowledge on how to build cupcake cakes or pull-apart cakes, however you want to describe them. So basically what they are is a bunch of cupcakes put together. You put icing on them and then you're able to pull them apart at the party, and it's good, easy, convenient. So in this playlist, I am basically going to show you how to place each cupcake onto a cake board to make each letter of the alphabet and the number 0 to 9. So I will be using full size and mini cupcakes for a lot of these videos. That way we can play and explore a little bit with different letters and how to place them. So in these videos, I will also be using a half slab cake board. I was able to pick these up at Walmart from the cake decorating department for a fairly reasonable price. If you do not have the store available to get the cake boards, you can make your own. Just cut out some cardboard and cover it with wax paper or saran wrap or tin foil. The half slab cake board is 19 inches by 13 inches, and a quarter slab cake board is half of that size at 13 inches by 9.5 inches. So if you don't have a cake board at your fingertips, that is okay. Please feel free to make one. The demonstration I'll be doing with the cupcake cakes will be done on the half slab board just because it's easier to get 20 to 24 full-size cupcakes on there. So I'm going to show you how to make pull-apart cakes for the numbers 0 to 9 and all of the letters of the alphabet. And I thought just to have quick, easy videos, like I'm going to do one video per number and one video per letter. That way if you need like an R, you don't have to sit there and watch like 2 hours worth of videos just to get to an R. So hopefully the links will work in the description and in the end cards and in the iCards so that you will be able to find the letter or number or whatever that you need to work on. So also, because these are just basic how to place the cupcakes, please be sure to click on how to flat ice a cupcake. I will show you how to ice each cupcake and then make it all flat like a regular slab cake. And then also please watch the video how to tack down your cupcakes, because it'll be a separate video. I'll show you how to add icing to the bottom and place the cupcakes as you need to do that. For the purpose of the alphabet, I will not be decorating each letter. That just takes too many cupcakes, too much icing. I'm just going to show you how to do the placements. And also, I will show you how I make up my designs, because then that way you can make up your own designs as well. Some of these can be made into full names if you use a combination of big cupcakes and little cupcakes. I will at the end show you how to decorate a full monogram letter cupcake. There's lots of different varieties that you can do with the topping of it. You can make it into your favorite theme. You can turn it into something beautiful. You can make it like a calligraphy monogram if you want. There's a lot of options for you to do whatever you want on top of these cakes. So this playlist is going to have 26 letters in it, 10 numbers in it. Things will happen. We'll see how it goes. So make sure you look through the playlist if there's a specific letter or number that you are looking for. And as always, I love answering all your comments, questions, and suggestions. So please leave them in the comment section below, or contact me on any of the social medias that you can find from the main page of my channel. And I would love to get back to you on that. Also, click the iCards and the end screens, and down in the written text description, I'll leave links for the playlist so that you can have easy access to your favorite letter. And now, without me sounding too much like a Sesame Street commercial, let's get on to this cake decorating business, making monogram cupcake cakes. Thank you so much for hanging out with me here. I am looking forward to sharing this whole playlist with you, and I will see you in the cupcake playlist. Bye! Click the links, subscribe, all that other good stuff. I will see you in a little bit.